बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन अर्रहमानिर्रहीम मालिक यौमिद्दीन इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन इहदिनस सिरातल मुस्तकीम सिरातल लज़ीना अनअमता अलैहिम गैरिल मग़ज़ूबि अलैहिम वलज़्ज़ालीन अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा बारिकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, शाजिब अहमद ख़ान अलिफ लाम मीम अकेडमी के इस लेक्चर में आपको खुश आमदीद। नाज़रीन, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है ऑफ रिवेंज, सर फ्रांसिस बेकन का ऐसे ऑफ रिवेंज। रिवेंज is a kind of wild justice which the more man's nature runs to, the more ought law to weed it out. For as for the first wrong, it doth but offend the law, but the revenge of that wrong putteth the law out of office. Certainly, in taking revenge, a man is but even with his enemy, but in passing it over, he is superior, for it is a prince's part to pardon. And Solomon, I am sure, saith, it is the glory of a man to pass by an offense, that which is past is gone and irrevocable, and wise men have enough to do with things present and to come. Therefore, they do but trifle with themselves that labor in past matters. There is no man doth a wrong for the wrong's sake, but thereby to purchase himself profit, or pleasure, or honor, or the like. Therefore, why should I be angry with a man for loving himself better than me? And if any man should do wrong merely out of ill nature, why, yet it is but like the thorn of a briar, which prick and scratch, because they can do no other. The most tolerable sort of revenge is for those wrongs which there is no law to remedy. But then let a man take heed the revenge be such as there is no law to punish, else a man's enemy is still beforehand, and it is 2 for 1. Some, when they take revenge, are desirous the party should know whence it cometh. This is the more generous, for the delight seemeth to be not so much in doing the hurt as in making the party repent. But base and crafty cowards are like the arrow that flieth in the dark. Cosmus, Duke of Florence, had a desperate saying against perfidious or neglecting friends, as if those wrongs were unpardonable. You shall read, saith he, that we are commanded to forgive our enemies. But you never read that we are commanded to forgive our friends. But yet the spirit of Job was in a better tune. Shall we, saith he, take good of God's hands and not be content to take evil also? And so of friends in a proportion. This is certain, that a man that studieth revenge keeps his own wounds green, which otherwise would heal and do well. Public revenges are for the most part fortunate, as that for the death of Caesar, for the death of Pertinax, for the death of Henry the Third of France, and many more. But in private revenges, it is not so. Nay, rather, vindicative persons live the life of witches, who, as they are mischievous, so end they unfortunate. नाजरीन, लैंग्वेज के स्ट्रक्चर पे हमने पिछले लेक्चर पे बात की थी सेंटेंस पे, उसका सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट. फर्दर फिर हमने ये बताया था प्रेडिकेट फर्दर आगे जाके डिवाइड हो जाता है सिंपल प्रेडिकेट और कंपाउंड प्रेडिकेट में. आज के लेक्चर में हम आपको आगाह करेंगे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स से. Complement. While some verbs are complete in themselves, birds fly, for example, birds fly, other verbs need a noun, noun substitute or adjective to complete their meaning. The term complement then means something that is needed to complete a grammatical construction. Complements may be a direct object, an object complement, a predicative adjective, or a predicative nominative. Direct object. What is direct object? The direct object is the noun which indicates the receiver of the action. For example, my brother plays the organ. She celebrated her birthday yesterday. Object complement. What is object complement? The object complement follows the direct object and refers to the same thing, usually after verbs of naming or calling. For example, the director appointed Miss Sarah a personal officer. The predicative adjective. What is predicative adjective? The predicative adjective is an adjective in the predicate referring to the subject. For example, Akram was cheerful. Similarly, another example is my brother is quite fat. The predicative nominative. What is the predicative nominative? The predicative nominative is a noun or noun subject in the predicate naming or referring to the subject. For example, those women are dentists. Another example is all of my sons have been scouts. नाजरीन, आखिर में आपके सामने अल्लामा इकबाल का शेर पेश करने जा रहा हूँ। जब इश्क सिखाता है आदाबे खुद आगे ही, खुलते हैं गुलामों पे इसरारे शहनशाही। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कर दें। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।